This is my new Live Intrigue X. I've got the RockShox Lyrik 150 mil, RockShox Deluxe Ultimate Rear Shock, GX cranks. I got the XO transmission, and then the new Maxxis Reverb dropper post with the battery in a new spot. It's got the new SRAM Maven brakes. They rock. This is the best do everything bike. It climbs well, it descends well. I can even customize the overall riding geometry with the flip chip. I can change the head tube angle, the seat tube angle, and the bottom bracket height. It has frame storage. The smalls and the extra smalls come with the mixed wheel, 27.5 inch wheel in the rear, medium and large. You can change to a 27.5. I ride 29 inch on both wheels. I just love this bike.